So this is contemporary math, section 6C, part 2, because I forgot to do this part on the last video, sorry. So we're gonna show you how to use z-scores to find percentiles. And in this case, I'm just gonna use the example problem that was in the book on cholesterol levels in men 18 to 24 years old. So those are normally distributed with a mean of 178 and a standard deviation of 41. So there's two questions to this problem. The first one is finding the percentile that a 20-year-old man with a cholesterol level of 190 would be at. So remember, the z-score is the data value minus the mean divided by the standard deviation, which would be 190 minus 178 over 41. That comes out to be about 0.29. So then we look at the table on page 403, and we're going to look until we find 0.29, which is closest to this value right here, which is 0.3. That is, it's kind of hard to read, 61.79, which is about 62. So according to that table, a z-score of 0.29 gives us a percentile of 62%. And then the second part of this question is what cholesterol level corresponds to the 90th percentile, the level at which treatment may be necessary. So again, we're going to look at the table of all this stuff, and we're looking for a percentile of 90, which is about right there. So we're looking at 1.3 for the z-score. So I'm going to use my z-score equation. Remember, it's the data value minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. In this case, the data value is going to be the cholesterol level that corresponds to the 90th percentile. So multiply both sides by 41 to get rid of that denominator. We end up with 53.3 equals our data value minus 178, which is the mean. Add 178 to both sides, and the cholesterol level of a man at the 90th percentile would be 231.3. You will need to know how to do this type of problem for the test, which will be next week. Thanks.